Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use SAP step by step. Let's get into it. First, find an empty step on your screen. Look at your graphical chart on the screen, find a box that says Undefined Step and click on it twice. Wait for the new toolbox called Step Selection to pop open in the middle of your screen. You have to open this menu so the computer can show you all the different actions you can add to your plan. Without this step, the box will stay empty and the computer won't do anything when it reaches that part of your work. Next, choose your task type. Scroll through the menu list and select a specific job action, such as Activity for a basic task or Send Mail to type an email message. Click on the name of the job type you want from the list so the computer can load the correct settings for it. Every type of job needs different information to run properly. By picking the right choice, you tell the computer whether it needs to wait for a person to click a button or if it can just send the message out by itself. It ensures your business plan follows the correct rules for your task. Next, decide where to put your step. Look at your chain of events and pick whether you want to drop your new action before a step, after a step, or inside a split path. Click on the line or the result box where you want your new action to attach itself. If you put the action in the wrong place, your business steps will get mixed up. By picking the exact spot, you make sure the computer does your new task only after the previous job is completely finished. It is the key step to getting the right output so your work flows down the screen in a perfect line. Go to the settings box and click on the Wait for Event tool if you want the plan to pause. Type in the name of the signal you are waiting for, then click the Confirm button at the bottom to lock your step in. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.